Welcome to this tutorial on getting started with QuickBooks. QuickBooks is an accounting software that helps small businesses manage their finances, track expenses, and create invoices. To get started with QuickBooks, first, you need to download and install the software from the official Intuit website. Once installed, launch the software and create a new company file by clicking on the Create a New Company option. You will be prompted to enter your company information, such as company name, address, and industry. Next, set up your company settings, including your accounting method, fiscal year, and tax year. You will also need to set up your users and roles, including the administrator and other users who will be accessing the software. After setting up your company file, you will need to set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all your company's accounts, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. You can use the default chart of accounts provided by QuickBooks or create your own custom chart of accounts. Once your chart of accounts is set up, you can start entering your financial data, including your opening balances, invoices, and expenses. You can also connect your bank accounts and credit cards to QuickBooks to automatically download your transactions. To get the most out of QuickBooks, it is essential to set up your invoicing and billing system. You can create custom invoices and templates, and set up automatic billing and payment reminders. Finally, to ensure the accuracy and integrity of your financial data, it is crucial to regularly back up your company file and perform reconciliations on your bank and credit card accounts. By following these steps and best practices, you can get started with QuickBooks and start managing your company's finances with ease.